you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with an update on our forecast. Rain expected late Monday into Tuesday for all of us in southeast lower Michigan, and we could even see heavy rain expected on Tuesday, and thunderstorms that are not out of the question. And we're going to let you know how much rain is going to fall and how long it's going to stick around in southeast lower Michigan. And when is the sunshine going to return? I'll have that answer coming up when I return in just a moment. Stay with us for the extended forecast. We'll be back. Thank you so much for joining me once again. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with an update on the forecast for the next several days. Let's start off with the current conditions right now. It is currently 77 degrees right now with showers in the area. The humidity right now is 74% right now. The wind speed is coming from the southeast at 6 miles per hour. Barometer is 30.04 inches. Dew point temperature 68 degrees. Visibility at 10 miles. We have a heat index of 79. And the last update was August the 14th at 7:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alright, so let's talk about what's going to happen here, and this is what you can expect. I'm just trying to get, there we go, now I can see what we're doing. Okay, so for the remainder of the next several days to come, this is how we look at it. A slight chance for a shower, then partly cloudy, 64 the low tonight, and then tomorrow 79 degrees with partly sunny skies. And then on Monday night, that's when the heavy rain is expected in southeast lower Michigan. 80% accuracy, so there's going to be a lot of soaking rain. And the low is going to go down to 67 degrees for Monday. And then for Tuesday, heavy rain in the forecast, 77 degrees. We're at 80% accuracy for rain. And thunderstorms also, and the high for Tuesday is going to be 77 degrees, so hopefully all of us here in southeast lower Michigan are prepared for this heavy rain event that is going to be happening and will be on the way, and we're going to have another update coming up very shortly here. The low for Tuesday night will be 63 degrees for a low, 30% chance of rain, then mostly cloudy. Wednesday, 30% chance of thunderstorms, 82 the high, the low 66 on Wednesday night, 30% chance of storms, and then after that we begin to dry out and we'll be back with mostly sunny skies once again in southeast lower Michigan on Thursday. So stay tuned. I'm going to have another update coming up very quickly here. We'll see you in a little bit.